Bitcoin money in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which explicitly all things considered is very huge. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $230.02, which especially is very huge. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $230.02, vary in spite of prevalent thinking. The really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money vary the most part is at $160,140,829 in a by and large lovely significant manner. 16 December 2023, in this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty sort of the following week and actually basically attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what entirely is most certainly transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Basically is BCH a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on in an especially enormous manner and in every way that really matters, significant way. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the BCH specialized examination, in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, let us basically discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical, in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the fundamentally genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709 in an especially significant manner. The exceptionally in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters, remains at $55,060,451,724 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which essentially is genuinely critical. Which sort of fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, showing that the for the most part all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $55,060,451,724 in a by and large huge manner in a significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly sort of has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how which explicitly in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%. Showing that the sort of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $55,060,451,724 in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, which in every practical sense shows that the really complete exchanging volume especially remains at $55,060,451,724 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, fundamentally really is somewhere near 1.63 and presently exchanging at 62 cents in a kind of genuinely significant manner. Moreover, Solana came to $74.13 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.78% in esteem, extremely further appearance how the fundamentally complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $55,060,451,724, which generally is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions truly show that the market by and large basically is going in an especially descending bearing for commonly present moment, so market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,599,597,582,709, which most certainly truly is very huge. Right now, a by and large especially broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how which fundamentally certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, showing that the genuinely complete exchanging volume basically remains at $55,60,451,724 in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters, by and large, are significant specialized markers used to distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers generally in every practical sense become commonly more really dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they explicitly for the most part thought in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers explicitly move entirely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they sort of thought. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The exceptionally beautiful current Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is $230.02, with an exchanging volume of $160,140,829 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that moreover, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem. Extremely further appearance how the fundamentally by and large complete exchanging volume really remains at $55,060,451,724, or so they generally thought. Right now, BCH actually by and large is somewhere near 1.17% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,505,369,618 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 16 December 2023, inside a very truly day-to-day time period, essentially made sense of underneath, showing how at present, BCH all things considered, is somewhere near 1.17% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,505,369,618 United States dollars, which quite is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. Showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, exhibiting that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $55,060,451,724, which truly is very critical. While BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange